So after taking some cool photos over here,
I'll tell you about this place and its relation to the Viking era. This iconic site, which looks like three swords stabbed into the rock by a giant, has the historical significance of uniting the Kingdom of Norway in the Battle of Hafrsfjord. For our next
viewpoint of Stavanger. Behind me that we are going is a kind of old Iron Age Viking house. One of the site I saw on Discovery Channel, and they were telling about the early settlement of Vikings. So when I saw on maps this is nearby, so I was like, why not?
This is the only museum constructed on real farm ruins from the Viking migration era, and they also hold activities with the staff dressed up as old times. And there are some stuff like axe throwing, shooting arrows, and braiding. In the outer side of Stavanger, Google Maps also suggested at this spot, saying it offers a beautiful panorama of the city, being the highest point, but it's mostly covered by the trees. And now it's time for city attractions. So famous another attraction of this town is Fargegaten. It's a particular street in the heart of the city, known for its artwork, sculptures, and with lively, colorful atmosphere created by cafes all around. A great place to take a break and also click some photos.
And now we are at the old town area of Stavanger, which also offers some quaint houses.
Gamle Stavanger, a UNESCO heritage site. This has many awards for its preservation. It has nearly 180 houses from 18th century, and it's one of the most prettiest and photogenic street in the Stavanger. You should definitely visit. Here is lively and colorful Stavanger Port. It also has bunch of restaurants where you can see a lot of locals hanging out.
And also one of the main things over here is petroleum industry. So like they have this whole Petroleum Museum behind.
I was here for interesting architecture, but if you have interest in petroleum, history, refinement or process, this could be a great stop for you.
So now we are at Vålandstårnet, just behind me.
Pretty close to the city center, this was an earlier watchtower that is now vacant but offers a 360 panorama of the city.
Day 2 in Stavanger. It's been raining since morning. Now we are going to check the nearby sauna area that is called Stavanger Stadion Gamle. So it's a pretty nice facility, offers you some really good public spas and swimming pool, the gym access. I paid €9. I think it was valid for 50 minutes. And it was a pretty good deal compared to Oslo. So if you're in the Stavanger,
On the rainy day,
visit this. And this one is called the Old Man.
this one is a city park.
Now we are strolling the lake we have near to our camping site. This was not a planned stroll. I had to go to a supermarket really far away. Because one thing to remember, Norway closes supermarkets on Sunday. There's a transportation on Saturday. And nobody tells you this thing, so part about this park is it leads directly to our camping site.
This is where I'm staying for tonight. That's our tent, and there is lake just behind the trees that I'll show you later. So this is called the Mosavagen camping. They have really good kitchen facilities and like free washrooms and huge camping site. They offers you free Wi-Fi, free showers and electricity hookups. And this is a lake where you can even swim if you like.
So many people may be about to learn to manage my food. It was like eating in a Norway outside is pretty expensive. Normally I buy my food from supermarkets. And after that I prepare them on my camping cooker. Or if I found a kitchen in the like this one, we have a proper kitchen with oven, microwaves and gas, so you can cook anything. I'm having this pasta with cream. Do recommend if you are gonna travel like this, always carry some spices small packets, so you don't have to buy a lot of stuff.
So that's it for tonight.
So now we are outside the Stavanger Central Station. This side is a train station and this side is a bus station. And all the local bus mostly that comes to Center
Goes from here, and you can buy tickets just behind this board or from Columbus Billet app.
We have to wait for half an hour, then we'll take our bus and go to Bergen.
There is also this beautiful lake just right next to the bus stand, so if you want to kill some time, you can come here.
So our bus has finally reached here. We'll take this to reach Bergen. It costed us roughly around 700 kroners, and from campsite to get here another 42 kroner.
Our journey continues to the Bergen and ahead in the Norway. So like and subscribe. If you have any questions, write it in comments. See you next time.